Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how exactly Preply works. Now, there are two sides of Preply, one as a tutor and the second one as a student. So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you're going to use Preply as a student, because how to use this as a teacher, I've already made that video in the channel. So you can just go ahead and check that part. Now as a student, what you have to do is just simply create an account. As you can see, mine is already made over here, and you have to fill up some information details regarding your education, your qualifications, and what exactly you're looking to learn. So in my case, I'm looking to learn English, so you can choose that over here. And if you want, you can obviously change that. So click on this now you can just simply choose whatever you want to learn. So any languages, particular subject like math, history, statistics, economics, chemistry, anything like that, computer science, or any language over here, as you can see, or even C++ and business speaking, email marketing, anything that you want to learn, you will be able to get that over here. Now after that, you will be able to see the price option over here. So click on that option, and right over here you will be able to select the price that you want and what is your budget. And according to that budget, you will be able to see the teachers. So the currency that you're seeing over here, it will automatically adjust wherever your country is. So to change the currency, all you have to do is just simply go over here, then click on currency and choose whichever currency you want. So let's say $, choose that, then wait for a few seconds, and right over here you will have your currency changed. Now if you want to see a teacher from a particular country, just simply choose that over here. Let's say United States, just simply choose that, and you will find all the teachers in United States. Now you will also have multiple features over here, so you can use all of them to get the best result over here. Now there are two types of classes as well: private classes, also known as one-on-one classes, or a group class. So you can choose that also. So currently we are on the private class section over here. Now to choose group classes, choose this option, and you will be in the group classes section. So over here you will find all the group classes. So over here you will also find few filters like the topics that you want, the date and time of the class, the price that you want. So let's say minimum 10 and maximum 50, and depending on that particular price, you will be able to see all the classes and the format of the class, and in the end the store by. So how exactly you want to rank the classes. So the highest rated is what I prefer, so just simply go that way. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.